Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be breaking down my trade from this morning, November 13th on NAS100. So this is the 15-minute time frame here on TradingView, and I came into the market here just before market opened today, right about 7:30, 7:15, 7:30. I have marked up here the previous day high and the previous day low. Today is Monday, so this is from Friday. We had a huge run up on Friday, and it's kind of just been in a huge run up the past couple weeks. Been very bullish. So unless I see some huge bearish momentum today, my bias was to go long, as the market was above the 200-day moving average as well. And we are above previous day. We are in between previous day high and low. But after this huge run up, I'd be looking for a retracement and then to go long. So right at 7:30 here, you can see we already are retracing. It's pulling back from this high. I drew a Fibonacci retracement from previous day low to previous day high, and that put a significant level, 0.382, right at the support level of 15,400. So I was looking at that as a key level for support. And the stochastic RSI was also oversold at this point. So right at market open, I was looking for some kind of reversal to continue back up to previous day high for a nice long position. So I waited for that, and we did get a nice bounce right there. I always want to wait for one more candle. So this got pretty close to the 0.382 level and bounced right at 400. But instead of jumping in right there, I waited for one more candle. And we got a nice bullish candle here. I got in right before the candle closed. My entry was 15,447. My stop loss was just below that low at 15,399. And for 1 to 2, I targeted 550. However, as that is above previous day high, and it is a Monday, and I do like to try and get some momentum on Mondays, I was looking more towards this 500 area for targets. But yeah, everything looked good for this setup. We had the stochastic RSI oversold. We were above the 200 EMA. We had retraced to just about the 0.382 level and bounced off 400 support with a nice bullish rejection there. So I hopped in there, risking 1%, and we got all green candles. There is some resistance here right about 470. So when the market was stuck there for a minute, I did close just a little piece of my position. It was about 20% of it, just a tiny little piece in case it did reverse. Then I did have less risk on the table, and I had some profit. I don't like to just, I think it's better to try and take some off while you have a winning trade, instead of letting winning trades turn into total losers. If you have good momentum, take something off, even if it's just a tiny bit. So that's what I did there. And the market just continued up there. This was the big candle. If you look at your trades, at least this is true for me, I generally find one candle in the trade that is like the meat of the move. 1 or 2 candles. It's like the big impulse candle. And this is it right here. That candle is 30 points or something. Let's see, it was 470 to 495, 25 points just in that one candle. So usually after those candles, you got to look at where you're at and see if you want to take something off, because if the market gives you something like that, it's telling you like, yes, this was a big move. This is where money is being moved around. It may be time to take some profit. And I saw that this was right at the 15,500 level with all this resistance. So I was in good profit here. This is about a 1-to-1. And I had already taken some profit off. And so right at, I believe I waited a little bit into the next candle. but I did close the rest of my position here at 15,500. So that gave me about a $930 win. So almost 1% on my FTMO challenge. And the market did go up just a little bit more. It went up to 520, I believe, before it did turn around and close lower for the day. So it was a good spot to take profit. I'm glad that I did that. I could have held a little longer, of course, in hindsight, but the lesson for today was definitely to take the meat of the move. Watch for the big impulse candle and don't leave money just floating there if it's available to you. I mean, you want to hold for as much money as you can, but don't want to be greedy. And when you have this big support and the market has been going up so much, and when I've been having a good month, and it is Monday, and I like to start Mondays green, then I just decided to take it, and it was a good opportunity for that. All green candles for the 15-minute time frame here. I didn't see any red candles close during my trade, so that was really great to see. So that was my trade for today. This is my month so far in November. So I've had all profitable weeks so far in November. Just for me, less has been more. It seems like less trades, more profit. The first week I just had the one trade there, 3 trades the second week, break even one day, then 1.4% second day, and then starting this week with a nearly 1% win. So I'm going to be cautious the rest of the week. Try not to give that back. Just try to gain as much as I can before the holidays kick in. So that is my trade for today, and thank you for watching.